Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our installation videos to you guys. What we've been working on today is a VW Golf R, and what we've upgraded this particular vehicle with today is an Autowatch Ghost 2 immobilizer system. If you're looking on forums, if you're looking on securing your vehicle, you'll hear this name pop up, an Autowatch Ghost, Ghost 2, but what actually is the product? This video is going to be explaining a little bit more, first of all, about what the product is and how it works. And then second part of this video is going to be going through and actually seeing exactly how it works on this particular vehicle. The Autowatch Ghost Immobilizer is an immobilizer system that inherently will immobilize your vehicle without seeing anything. So there's no, on factory sort of older style immobilized systems, you'll have like a little touch pen or something like that where you have to touch on the vehicle. Not on this system. This is what's called a CAN bus immobilizer. So what it does, it's what's called writing to the CAN bus of the car. The CAN bus is like the brain of the vehicle, and what this system is doing is telling that information or sending it what's called blocking signals. So it's inherently into the brain of the vehicle, and what this system does is an incredible way to stop people stealing your car if your car has keyless entry, or even if it doesn't, it's a great way to secure your asset. All our work is carried out from our workshop facilities in Cambridge. People travel from all over the country to us to have work carried out. Feel free to get in touch with us and we'll guide you through the best methods to do so. So, the actual Ghost Immobilizer is completely hidden away, there's nothing visible whatsoever. One of the key things with this system is that it uses your factory buttons on your steering wheel or in your car to immobilize your vehicle. So, you jump in your vehicle, even if you had the factory key, what you need is to input a set code that's only in your brain. It's not written down anywhere, there's not a pen, there's nothing like that. It's in your brain, so if you wanted 4 volume up buttons, that would then allow you to start your vehicle. Even if you handed the keys to a friend or family, they would need that code too. So generally this system is all installed, it's always installed within a day, and it's all done from our workshop facilities in Cambridge. So a bit of an overview. Ghost, the only reason why you might be looking into Ghost is because you have keyless entry or you've seen a lot of vehicles stolen in your area or something like that, and cars being stolen is actually going up and up, it's on the rise. So this is a great way to combat that. So the Ghost Immobilizer isn't a Thatcham approved product. So Thatcham is basically an accreditation, it's quite an expensive accreditation that some products have, which basically allows them to sort of be approved as such by vehicle manufacturers and things like that. Ghost doesn't have that Thatcham recognition, but for reliability and things, we've found that it's more than holds it up against that other Thatcham approved products. There's really nothing like it on the market. It's a really cool solution if you're looking to secure your asset. So what we're going to do, we're going to step inside the vehicle now. This is a VW Golf R and it's a 2019 model. We're going to explain a little bit more about how it is to use in terms of day-to-day use, and how to start your vehicle when you have it installed. So we're now behind the wheel of a VW Golf R. What we're going to be doing is show you exactly how it works on this particular vehicle. So this is very similar to other vehicles as well if you own a different vehicle, but it gives you a bit of an idea. So we've jumped in the vehicle, we've got the factory key, obviously we've got Ghost installed now. So what we're going to do, we're going to start the vehicle as we used to. So we're going to put our foot on the brake and just press the start button, not inputting a code. The vehicle starts, and what happens is the vehicle dies straight away. So that is showing you that the Ghost is in operation and it's completely immobilized. It doesn't matter how many times I start the vehicle or try to start the vehicle, it will always die straight away, like so. So it's a really, really reliable product and really cool bit of kit. So what we're going to do is we're just going to restart the system, and what we're going to do is we're going to start the vehicle now with the Ghost, with the code on there. So we've given it a bit of time. Basically, Ghost needs a little bit of time for your car to shut down, for everything to rest. Obviously, this isn't a normal thing that you would be doing. But what we're going to do, so we've set up a code that is going to be changed very shortly once we hand over this vehicle to the customer. So the way you start your vehicle now, Ghost is in the vehicle. Rather than putting your foot on the brake and pressing the start button straight away, all we're going to do is we're going to press the start button, giving us our ignition. So now our ignition's on, what we're going to do, we're going to input our code. So our code can be anything on the vehicle. They have to be CAN bus control buttons, but we can go through that with you during the setup. So what we've done for demonstration purposes is we've got 5 buttons of the OK. So what we're going to do is we're going to activate the Ghost. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what we're going to get is 2 indicator clicks on the hazard light switch, and that's said that the Ghost has got your password correct basically. So we're going to put the foot on the brake and actually press the start button, and now we're good to go straight into drive, and the vehicle's not going to turn off. That means that now we're in Ghost mode, so the next time you start your vehicle you will need Ghost again, and that's always the case. So every time you want to start your vehicle you're going to need to input your code. One really cool thing as well is if you're giving your vehicle into a garage, what you can do is put it into service mode. There's a special service mode button within the vehicle. You press that 5 times, and then what that does is it means that you won't need the code. It means if you're taking it into VW in this case, or any other garage for that matter, when they're doing any of their servicing or anything like that, obviously they can just jump in the vehicle, anyone can jump in, and nobody would know that Ghost is actually in the vehicle. So it just gives you a bit of an idea of how easy it is to use. Obviously you can set up a code between 4 to 20 digits. We recommend doing somewhere near the lower settings because obviously you've got a lot more chances of miscalculating that when you go to use the car day to day. But you can have a combination of different buttons and things like that within the vehicle. Obviously every vehicle does vary, but that just gives you a bit more of an idea of how you go from used to starting your car to obviously now Ghost is installed, that you start your car with that on there. So we'd just like to thank you for watching our very short video, and we look forward to upgrading your car soon. Thank you.